This video provides the knowledge and experience of interns in Buhi Municipal Library that promotes facilities, services, and other online resources that can be accessed by the users through on-site and digital platform.
Hi, I'm Tina, one of the interns here in Buhi Public Library. I'd like you to meet our very kind librarian, Ma'am Sha'an Savio. One of the resources of Buhi Library is the Asia's Foundation, which you can access free digital library for children.
Hello, I'm Pearl. Today, I will introduce to you the library. Librarica is an online platform resources that's suitable for schools, colleges, and organizations. It is also designed for managing library resources and catalogs.
In Buhi Public Library, we offer different kinds of books like novels, dictionary, and textbooks. But wait, there's more. We also offer encyclopedia like the New Book of Knowledge, Constant Encyclopedia, Encyclopedia Britannica, Science and the Future, Science and Invention, Encyclopedia and Britannica. That's all. Thank you.
Hi guys! We are the interns in Buhi Public Library. So we're here to share our thoughts and experiences during our internships here in Buhi Public Library.
First question, ano ang natutunan mo bilang isang intern dito sa Buhi Public Library?
Ako, yung natutunan ko dito sa Buhi Public Library during our internship, mas na-enhance yung kaalaman ko sa pagkakapilogi and yung na-experience din natin nag-labeling, yung sa pag-inventory, and yung mga
Follow-up question, what can you suggest kung ano pa ang pwedeng ma-improve dito sa library?
Ito kasing Buhi Public Library, parang isang room lang siya. So, yung space niya is limited lang. Tapos, yung masabi niya bang may shelves na paparating. So, suggest na mag-add sila ng collections.
So, Ate Pearl, gusto ko lang itanong yung anong mga gawain dito sa Silid Aklatan yung ini-ensure mong ginagawa na pwede mo siyang gawin kahit araw-araw.
Sa intern dito sa Buhi Public Library, mas nagustuhan ko dito is yung pagkakapilogi kasi kahit araw-araw ko siya talagang gawin, ako yung sasawa. Pero yung mas nagustuhan ko doon is nakikita ko yung author ng libro, the year published, and yung call numbers. Then, minsan yung sa list ng pagkakapilogi, nakikita ko yung title, minsan alam ko yung libro, or may mga time na nare-record ko yung nilalaman ng books kasi nakita ko yung title. Parang gusto ko siyang basahin yung may mga part na interested. So my question is, how does this field fit into your future goals?
So bilang isang lease intern, maaari tayong magkaroon ng malaking oportunidad, kabilang na doon ang pagiging isang librarian. So, 10 years from now, I can see myself being a librarian. I can see my future guiding the users, promoting different resources like library card, the copy loading, and so on.
From here, as an intern, how did you overcome the struggles or challenges inside the library?
So actually, lahat naman ng interns is meron struggles and challenges sa loob ng system natin. Like, paggamit ng databases, and so on. Pero ako, as an intern, kapag gusto ko yung ginagawa ko, hindi ako nahihirapan gawin siya kahit araw-araw. And tinitingnan ko siya as motivation para i-enhance ko pa kung ano yung mga dapat gawin dito sa library. Yun lang.
Ako naman, Grace, yung tanong ko sa'yo, ano ang maipapayo mo or rekomendasyon sa mga susunod na interns dito sa Buhi Public Library?
Para sa mga susunod na entrance dito sa Buhi Public Library, kailangan natin maging responsable sa ating mga gawain. Dahil ito ay nagpapakita ng ating responsibilidad at obligasyon sa trabaho.
One of the intern Hi guys! We are the interns in Buhi Public Library.